All right, guys. So this is driving towards the home. Right, you're going to be coming down this. This is the main road, leaving Montego Bay, going towards Lucy, or going towards Negril. That's a more populous spot. So you'll be passing, all these signs. There's a gas station here off to my left. It's Thrifty, and we'll also see this gated community. We'll see the sign for Redding, Hopewell, Sandy Bay, Anchovy. All right, when we get to this main intersection here, we're not going to turn at the intersection. We're going to go through the intersection, right, and continue further down. All right, there's a stoplight here right now, so I am going to just keep it moving. By the way, while you're here at the house, off to your left, where we see that big tree over there, that's what we call a breadfruit tree. There's a restaurant over there. It used to be called Texas Barbecue. The food is really good. I've had it, quite a few times. Right? Actually, I run into Kimani Mali there in 2019 when I went to pick my food up. So you can never tell who you're going to run into. When the light changes, we'll just continue, because what I really want to do, I want to take you to the entrance. So in addition to the directions that I'm going to give you, right, I want to just present this video, and I'll be attaching this to my YouTube channel, so you guys could just follow it to get to the community. So again, we've passed through the light, and we're going down in about another minute or so. We should be getting to the entrance of the community. And man, while you go ahead, just enjoy this view off to your right. That's looking back into Montego Bay, Freeport area, right? So again, we're continuing the ride down. When you're coming over these little bridges, you know that you're almost there. And about another 30 seconds, we'll be there. The house is off to your left, up in the hill. That's the house right there, down at the bottom. That's where you'll be staying. And you will notice here Ramson. Ramson is that's your landmark. So when you get to Ramson, you know that you're quickly approaching the entrance for the community. And driving down a couple hundred feet on your left, you'll see the big stone walls, and written in black down there it says Spring Gardens. So that is where we'll be entering. So again, we're making the left here, going towards the entrance, and this is where you would stop at the guardhouse, and you'll give them the information that I share with you by your booking platform, and they will give you access to the home. All right, they know who we are, so that's why they didn't ask any questions.